powerful, coordinated, and united. This is Super Garuda Shield 2025, one of the largest multinational military exercises in the Indo-Pacific. Today, we take you behind the scenes of this massive event to see what really happens when the world's strongest armies train side by side. Super Garuda Shield first began as a bilateral drill between the United States and Indonesia. Over time, it grew into a regional powerhouse exercise, now including nations such as Japan, Australia, Singapore, the UK, and many more. The purpose? To strengthen interoperability, prepare for real-world threats, and ensure that allies can fight together as one cohesive force. In Super Garuda Shield 2025, thousands of troops have come together. Across land, air, and sea domains, the scale is enormous. From live-fire drills to amphibious landings, from armored convoys to cyber defense operations, this is more than just training. It's a rehearsal for real scenarios that could shape the future of global security. But what really happens behind the scenes? It's not just about shooting or marching. Every day begins with briefings and planning sessions where commanders from different nations sit together, breaking barriers of language and culture and aligning on one mission. In the field, soldiers swap tactics, share experiences, and even teach each other survival skills. An American Marine might learn jungle warfare from an Indonesian commando, while an Australian pilot exchanges techniques with a Japanese counterpart. Super Garuda Shield is also a showcase of cutting-edge technology. Unmanned drones scan the skies, AI-assisted systems track enemy movements, and cyber teams simulate digital warfare. The battlefield of the future isn't only about tanks and rifles, it's about data, networks, and speed. Yet, beyond the weapons and war games, there's a deeply human side. Cultural exchanges, joint sports matches, and even simple shared meals create bonds of brotherhood. Many soldiers say the friendships they build here are just as valuable as the combat skills. Because in the end, when war breaks out, trust in your partner can mean the difference between victory and defeat. The climax of the exercise comes in the live drills. Explosions thunder across the range as multinational forces execute coordinated strikes. Naval fleets carry out amphibious assaults, helicopters insert troops deep into simulated combat zones, and artillery pounds the battlefield in synchronized precision. Every move is carefully choreographed not just to show strength, but to build confidence that these nations can operate as one. Why does Super Garuda Shield matter so much? Because the Indo-Pacific is one of the most contested regions in the world. Rising powers, territorial disputes, and evolving threats demand unity among allies. Exercises like these send a clear message: stability and peace will be defended together. Super Garuda Shield 25 is more than just a military drill. It's a symbol of unity, preparation, and shared determination. Behind every maneuver, behind every soldier's step, lies a promise that when the world calls, these nations will stand as one. This is the true power of alliance. This is Super Garuda Shield.